Okay, Tetiana by hand will be making a wishing doll. For this you need 3 napkins. One should be cut in half, and one should be white. Start by folding the white napkin in half, and then in half on top of itself. 2 more times. With this, begin to roll it into a tight circle. Once it is firmly rolled, secure it with a rubber band 2 times. Set it aside. Take your full napkin and along the folded edge, begin to accordion fold it, giving about 2 to 3 centimeters to each fold. Halfway through, keep mark of the center. Once the entire napkin is folded, smooth it out. Determine which end of your circle that you just rolled is better for the face, and place the accordion pleated napkin halfway. Place a circle halfway through the accordion pleated napkin. Pinch just below the circle and secure that with a rubber band 3 times. Make any adjustments to ensure that there is no gap between the 2 napkins. With the napkin that you've cut in half, fold it again in half. And another time, and then begin to roll. These will become the arms. With about a centimeter's distance, secure a rubber band around the edge of both ends of your roll. With the side that you've selected as the face, take the recently rolled and secured napkin and wrap it around the back of your doll. Pinch the arms together so that her hands are sticking out. Now, underneath the arms, take a rubber band and wrap it over the top of your doll's back. Then do it another time so that you have an X around the back of your doll. Open her arms out by folding them backwards. Now, separate the pleats of the napkin that make up the skirt of the doll. This will give the dress a fuller look. If you can, separate the plies of the paper. Poof out the skirt and make sure the arms are still in place. Taking the skewer, skewer the back of the doll just past the head. Your doll will eventually stand like this. Place her in potted plants or in other such jars. This has been Tetiana by hand. You can check out other videos by following this QR code. You can also see other goods that Tetiana makes, such as glow-in-the-dark embroidery. For Glow Art Ukraine.